Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and dear students. Welcome to the International Girl Child Day celebration at Nivedita English School. Today, we come together to celebrate the spirit of girl power, emphasizing the theme Save the Girl Child. Let's make this event memorable and impactful. Now, I welcome Vanvit Gowda from grade 2B to address the gatherings.
My name is Vanvita Gowda from grade 2B section. My school name is Nivedita English School CBSE. Today we are celebrating International Girl Child Day. On this special day, I would like to welcome our respected Principal Sir, Pushottam Sir, Vice Principal, our Mrs. Rohini Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. This day reminds us how important every girl is. Girls are strong, talented and full of dreams. Let us respect, love and support all the girls around us. Thank you
For your warm welcome. A melodious song performance by girls from grade 8 and 9. Let's welcome them on stage.
पढ़ना है मुझको, आगे बढ़ना है मुझको, मुझे भी नाम कमाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है। पढ़ना है मुझको, आगे बढ़ना है मुझको, मुझे भी कदम उठाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है। ओ हो ओ जुर्म की बूझ नहीं हूँ मैं, यही हर रोज कहूँगी मैं, जो मैं पढ़ लिख जाऊंगी सहारा बन पाऊंगी। जुर्म की बूझ नहीं हूँ मैं, यही हर रोज कहूँगी मैं, जो मैं पढ़ लिख जाऊंगी सहारा बन पाऊंगी। खुदा की रहमत है बेटी, कहा की जहमत है बेटी, तो क्यों मैं लिख नहीं सकती, तो क्यों मैं लिख नहीं सकती। मुझे पढ़ लिख कर अपने माँ बापों का हाथ बटाना है, कदम से कदम मिलाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है। ओ पढ़ना है मुझको, आगे बढ़ना है मुझको, मुझे भी नाम कमाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है, आगे बढ़ के दिखाना है।
Thank you. Thank you girls for your melodious song. Let's welcome Pratyusha from grade 5th A to deliver an inspiring English speech.
to everyone. Happy International Girl Child Day. I am Pratyusha Chakraborty from grade 5th A section. I am studying in Nivedita English School CBSE. Today we are here to celebrate the International Day of the Every Girl Child observed on every year on October 11th. This special day reminds us of the rights, dreams and potential of every girl. Girls are powerful. When given the chance, they can achieve anything, be it in education, science, sports or leadership. But sadly, many girls still face the challenges of gender discrimination, child marriage and lack of education. Let us all take a pledge today to respect, support and empower every girl that she gets equal opportunities, safety and bright future. Because when we educate a girl, we educate a generation. Thank you. Happy International Girl Child Day.
Thank you, Pratyusha. Maina as from grade 5th B will share thoughts in Hindi. Let's welcome her on the stage. मेरा नाम मैना है, मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरा पाठशाला का नाम निवेदिता अंग्रेजी पाठशाला है। आदरणीय प्रधान आचार्य जी और शिक्षक गण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बालिका दिवस को शुभकामनाएं। यह साल 11 अक्टूबर को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बालिका दिवस मनाया जाता है। इसकी शुरुआत 2012 में मनाया गया था। इसकी शुरुआत यूनाइटेड नेशन के द्वारा शुरू किया गया। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बालिका दिवस मनाने का सबसे बड़ा उद्देश्य ताकि लड़कियों को एक समान अधिकार मिले और उनको भी नए कपड़े पहने पौधे हो। इससे लड़कियों के साथ भेदभाव किया जा सकता है, परंतु यह भेदभाव नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्हें भी लड़कों की तरह बेहतर जीवन जीने का और अपनी मर्जी से जीने का पूरा अधिकार है। लड़कियों की संख्या बहुत कम होता जा रहा है और समाज में लिंग समानता दिन प्रतिदिन बहुत होते जा रहे हैं। इसको रोकने के लिए अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस मनाने का शुरुआत की। बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, बेटी को आत्मनिर्भर अवश्य बनाइए। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद। Now we have an energetic dance performance by girls from grade 4th and 5. Let's welcome them.
माँ की कोख निकलती है, आंखें उनकी लड़कों जैसे पैदा होते खुलती, सांस उनकी बेदर्दी से कोख में रोकी जाती। उनको हक है जीने का, वो भी जीना चाहते।
Wow, what a wonderful dance. Thank you, girls. It's my pleasure to welcome our principal, Purushottam sir, to highlight the importance of girl-child empowerment.
Good morning. As we are celebrating International Girls' Child Day, even your teachers are girls. Huh? We have majority of women in our school, right? Only one male teacher, that is Naveen sir. All others are women. Why? There are more women. Why always we prefer teachers to be a woman, not the men? Huh? Any differences you find between your Naveen sir and your other teachers? No difference. See, the women give love, affection, care, everything more than a man. It's our duty to safeguard the girl child. You may know in the hospitals you have seen foeticide. You know what that means? You know, foeticide means what? In the womb. What is the gender of the baby? Either it's a boy or girl. That before we are getting to know by scanning. Now there is no option, government has banned it. Many of them at the time, in the womb only, they are making the child to die. Now there is no option such like you can before only predict what baby it is. Because everybody wants male. Yes or no? Why? See, there is no difference between men or women. All are equal. We should respect everyone, either it may be a male or female. And don't think that women can't do what men can do. It's a wrong prescription that you have to delete from your mind. Everybody can do anything. Even men cannot do, the woman can do. Yes or no? You are more stronger than us. You can do. You are making a number of things at a time, but men can do only one thing at a time. You have that much capacity and you can make it out whatever you can. Okay? All the best for the girls and the women. And you have all the opportunities, you have all the equalities in the society as well as wherever you stay. And keep that equality and fight for it. Okay? Don't get down and don't think that we are women, we can't able to do something, how we can say, how we can express. This is all you have to live and you should be bold enough to do whatever you can think. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Rohini ma'am, to highlight the importance of girl-child empowerment. Welcome, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are celebrating International Girl Child Day. Why we are celebrating International Girl Child Day? So we celebrate to raise awareness about the rights of the girls and the challenges they face around the world. So the day reminds us every girl deserves equal opportunities to go to school, to be healthy, feel safe, and to follow her dreams. It encourages us to stop discrimination, child marriage, and gender inequality. This day celebrates the power, potential, and importance of every girl. When we educate and support girls, we build stronger and brighter future for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite Shruti ma'am to announce the winners of poster making competition. Welcome, ma'am.
Honor the winners. The competition was held from grade 6 to 9. Theme was Save the Girl Child. The winners are selected according to the theme, creativity and also the innovation. Now I would like to invite our principal sir and vice principal ma'am to honor the winners. First prize goes to Mohit from grade 6. Second prize goes to Yashashwini from grade 6B. Now the grade 7 first prize goes to Akshay Gowda. Second prize goes to Andrea. Third prize goes to Paridhi. Now the grade 8 Nirjara. First prize goes to Nirjara. Second prize goes to Moksha. Second prize has been shared by 2 students, Harshika from grade 8. Third prize goes to Abhishek. Now grade 9, first prize goes to Meghana. Second prize goes to Gautami.
Here comes M. Charvika from grade 3A to express our gratitude. Welcome, Charvika.
My name is Charuvika. I am studying in grade 3A section. Today I am here to propose a vote of thanks. Thank you everyone for celebrating International Girl Child Day with us today. Let's appreciate the girls in our class and community for their kindness, intelligence and talents. Let's promise to support